Will you help us match the correct things? Snake charmer's instrument. Bean. Snake's poisonous teeth. Fangs. Cobra. Poisonous snake. Snake charmers. Calbelias. Snakes eat rats. Snake charmer's instrument. Bean. Snake's poisonous teeth. Fangs. Cobra. Poisonous snake. Snake charmers. Calbelias. Snakes eat rats. Shall we help Bert fill in the blanks? The snake's poisonous teeth are called fangs. The snake's poisonous teeth are called fangs. Snake charmers are also called calbelias. Snake charmers are also called calbelias. Snake charmers play an instrument called the bean. Snake charmers play an instrument called the bean. Snakes are useful too because they eat the rats that destroy their crop. Farmers. Snakes are useful to farmers because they eat the rats that destroy their crop. In India and are poisonous snakes. Cobra, Russell's viper, common crate, saw-scaled viper. In India, cobra, Russell's viper, common crate and saw-scaled viper are poisonous snakes. Bean is made from dried gourd. Bean is made from dried gourd. Will you help Rabbit to find out which sentences are true and which are false? All snakes are poisonous. False. A snake has two hollow teeth called fangs. True. It is quite normal to catch wild animals and keep them. False. There is a law against catching and keeping wild animals. True. The snake dances to the music of the bean. False. Snakes bite when they are hungry. False. We must be kind to animals. True. Snakes are caught and sold for their skin. True. Snake charmers do not stay in one place for long. True. Snake charmers are also called saperas. True. Shall we answer these questions? What are snake charmers called? snake charmers are called Kalbelias. What is a bean? A bean is a snake charmer's instrument. He uses it to make the snake dance. Can you see a snake's ears? No, we cannot see a snake's ears. Do snakes really dance to the sound of the bean? No, snakes do not dance to the sound of the bean. They move according to the snake charmer's hand movements. How do snake charmers carry their snakes? Snake charmers carry their snakes in bamboo baskets. What kind of life do snake charmers live? Snake charmers keep moving from one village to another. They entertain people with their snakes. Why has life become difficult for snake charmers? The government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. So, snake charmers are not allowed to catch and keep snakes. This has made their life difficult for them. Are all snakes poisonous? No, all snakes are not poisonous. What are the poisonous snakes in India? In India, there are 4 types of poisonous snakes. They are cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper. Is there a medicine for snake bites? Yes, there is a medicine for snake bites. How is this medicine made? The medicine for snake bite is made from the snake's poison itself. Where is the medicine for snake bite available? The medicine for snake bite is available in all government hospitals, in all villages, towns and cities. Are snakes useful to farmers? How? Snakes are very useful to the farmers. They eat the rats in the fields which try to eat the farmer's crop. So, they protect the crops from rats. The government law states that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Friends, do you think that this law of the government is correct? Do you think this law will help the animals? Do you think this law will also affect the lives of some people? You can discuss this with your friends in class. Goodbye, friends.